I'll keep this short. The Sony WH-1000XM6, the best noise-cancelling wireless, either earns your money or it doesn't. Let's find out. To be honest, I was really disappointed by the price when these came out. 400 quid is a pretty penny for any headphones, and it showed up in some ways. But I digress. This thing is an absolute beast of noise cancellation, and that's what matters most. So what changed my mind? First off, the HD noise cancelling processor QN3 made all the difference. It's like having 7x more power under the hood than those WH-1000XM6. 12 microphones work in perfect harmony to squash background noise. I tested this on a busy train ride, and honestly, it was like being in a cocoon of silence. That alone would have won me over, but there's two other features that really sealed the deal for me. The adaptive NC optimizer is an absolute game changer. You turn up or down your volume, and the noise cancellation adjusts on the fly to ensure perfect clarity at any volume level. I put it to the test with some intense gaming sessions. This thing didn't even skip a beat. Last but not least, there's the adaptive noise cancellation for calls. It works beautifully. You sound crystal clear from anywhere in London, no matter what the din is around you. Your voice comes through like butter, and that confidence can make or break a call. But let's get real here. 400 quid isn't going to fly on just these features alone. The price was an annoyance at launch. Now that it's down by a couple of hundred quid, I reckon it's worth splashing out. So do you buy the Sony WH-1000XM6? In short, yes. Yes, they are. But if you're looking for an even better deal, keep an eye on those Black Friday sales. They'll knock the price down to a more acceptable level then. If that was useful, chuck a subscribe, new honest review every week. Then, link below if you want it. Cheers, see you next video.